Hello everyone, welcome to Listen Up. In this video, we will revise few questions related to differential and integral calculus. So, dx to the power n by dx is equal to n into x n minus 1. Second, d by dx of log base e x is equal to 1 by x. Third, differentiation of sin x is equal to cos x and differentiation of cos x is equal to minus sin x. Fourth, differentiation of tan x is equal to sec square x and differentiation of cot x is equal to minus cosec square x. Differentiation of sec x is equal to sec x into tan x. Differentiation of cosec x is equal to minus cosec x into cot x. Differentiation of a to the power x is equal to a to the power x log base e a. Differentiation of e to the power x is e to the power x. Differentiation of sin inverse x is equal to 1 by under root of 1 minus x square and differentiation of cos inverse x is 1 by under root of minus 1 divided by under root of 1 minus x square. Differentiation of tan inverse x is equal to 1 by 1 plus x square and differentiation of cot inverse x is equal to 1 by minus 1 by 1 plus x square. Differentiation of sec inverse x is equal to 1 by x under root of x square minus 1 and differentiation of cosec inverse x is equal to minus 1 by x under root of x square minus 1. Differentiation of sin hx, which is a hyperbolic function, that is equal to cos hx and differentiation of cos hx is equal to sin hx. Differentiation of tan hx sec h square x and differentiation of cot hx minus cosec h square x. Differentiation of sec hx is equal to minus sec hx into tan hx and differentiation of cosec hx is equal to minus cosec hx into cot hx. Now in integral calculus, integration of x to the power n dx is equal to xn plus 1 by n plus 1. Second, integration of 1 by x dx is equal to log base e x. Third, integration of e to power x dx is equal to ex. Fourth, integration of e to the power x dx is equal to a to the power x log base a e. Integration of sin x dx is minus cos x and integration of cos x dx is equal to sin x. Integration of tan x dx is log sec x, and integration of cot x dx is log sin x. Integration of sin hx dx is equal to cos hx. Integration of sec x dx is equal to log sec x plus tan x, or we can write this as log of tan pi by 4 plus x by 2. Integration of cosec x dx is equal to log cosec x minus cot x, or we can write this as log tan x by 2. Integration of sin hx dx is cos hx, and integration of cos hx dx is equal to sin hx. Integration of sec x tan x dx is sec x, and integration of cosec x cot x dx is minus cosec x. Integration of 1 by x square minus a square if x is greater than a. Here, if x is greater than a, then this will be 1 by 2a log x minus a by x plus a, and if integration of dx by a square minus x square, we write here x is less than a, then 1 by 2a log a plus x by a minus x. Now under root of 1 by a square minus x square dx is sin inverse x by a, and under root of 1 by x square plus a square is equal to sin h inverse x by a. Integration of 1 by under root of x square minus a square dx is cos h inverse x by a. We also write this equation as log of x plus under root of x square plus a square, and this equation we write it as log of x plus under root of x square minus a square. Integration of 1 by a square plus x square dx is equal to 1 by a tan inverse of x by a, and integration of minus 1 by a square plus x square dx is equal to 1 by a cot inverse of x by a. Integration of 1 by x under root of x square minus a square dx is equal to 1 by a sec inverse of x by a, and integration of minus 1 by x under root of x square minus a square dx is 1 by a cosec inverse of x by a. Integration of sec h square x dx is tan hx. Integration of sec hx into tan hx dx is equal to sec hx, and integration of cosec hx into cot hx dx is equal to minus cosec hx. So here always remember that whenever you are using a square minus x square, then you use term sin inverse, x square plus a square, then we use term sin h inverse, and x square minus a square, then we use term cos h inverse. So in this integration of under root of a square minus x square dx can be written as x by 2 under root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2. So under root of a square minus x square, what we use? Sin inverse x by a. Now integration of x square plus a square. So for x square plus a square we use sin h inverse. Okay, so this will be x by 2 under root of x square plus a square by 2 into sin h inverse x by a. Next, under root of x square minus a square. So for x square minus a square we use cos h inverse. So this will be x by 2 under root of x square minus a square plus a square by 2. Sorry, this will be minus a square by 2 into cos h inverse x by a. So this much formula at least you have to remember for calculus. Now if you integrate e to power x with multiplied with some function fx plus f dash of x dx, then this will give you e to the power x f of x plus c. Integration of f dash of x by f of x dx, then this will be log of f of x plus c. Integration of e to the power f of x, that is a function of x, f dash of x into dx, this will be e to the power f of x plus c. So देखो यहाँ पे हम सिंपली क्या कर रहे हैं, f of x फंक्शन ऑफ x है और f dash of x f of x का डिफरेंशिएशन है, तो हम क्या कर रहे हैं, सिंपली f dash of x को हम एलिमिनेट कर रहे हैं और एक कांस्टेंट टर्म से हम ऐड कर दे रहे हैं. ठीक. नाउ if we integrate f of x of power n multiplied with f dash of x dx is equal to, हम क्या करेंगे, सिंपली f dash of x को हम एलिमिनेट कर देंगे. ओके, तो यहाँ पे क्या बचेगा, f of x to the power n plus 1 डिवाइडेड बाई n plus 1 plus c, एक कॉन्स्टेंट टर्म से हम ऐड कर देंगे. नेक्स्ट इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ, सपोज e to the power integration of a by x dx is given, then this can be written as x to the power a plus c.